In a media. Alright then, and the gyal when me fling cocky. Yeah, I'm in a show pussy sympathy. Gyal go on like say she too hype, so me trick it and fuck it for your shrimp patty.
You know it's your boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. And people, Govana dropped the bad song Shrimp Patty. So we are gonna review it and see what it's all about, cause it kinda comical, me not tell a lie. And from the looks of it, it's a girl song. So the girls are gonna love it. So people, don't go away. Me I gonna start the review right after this.
Every girl, when off it broke, but day. Every time pussy girl forget enough money. Hey, your pussy good, that's why me love but there. And you keep it clean on the jungle there.
The man enough, the one enough. Right now, me a
Chaddy TV.
Chaddy TV, and we say check him out for all your news, your views, your reviews, and everything you need to know. You see me?
On YouTube, you know. Come in, say YouTube, that show, and such show. Yo.
Yeah. Chaddy, I'm your biggest fan.
Ricky Chopper said that.
It's exploded right now.
Every time you go on your Instagram, my mouth does a drain water, so Jesus.
That you say, baby? Well, what you say me yo? Man crush, your MCM, that's an a naked pic in a media. In a media.
So from the sound of it, either the girl is a very crazy girl or is a very freaky girl. Either way, she love eat. And that is a good thing. So every time she a scroll upon Govana IG, it's like she just feel hungry. Her mouth a run water. You know, Govana, you can find some girl and when me can find one of them water running mouth girl there. And that's the intro, people. Here how the man a go deal with the people them girl pitney now.
Alright then, and the gyal when me fling cocky. Yeah, I'm in a show pussy sympathy. Gyal go on like say she too hype, so me trick it and fuck it for your shrimp patty.
And that right there, and that's how you get the title. So you know them little uptown hypey tighty girl, we go on like say them shit can make patty. So what Govana do? Govana trick it with a shrimp patty. The man use one shrimp patty and make she a ball out like Dovey Magnum. Channel star. Govana, you coulda do better still. You coulda evil carry the girl at KFC and give her a big deal.
One slim gal, big body. One weak bed enough to bring fatty. What a pussy pretty gal I shoulda give frappe. So she walk with me cocky and kidnap it.
People, me not tell a lie. I just couple line in the verse me reach. I like that song already. And the video, me could talk about the video. The video is very creative. You can see say I just creative thought deal with the video. At first me ever see a video like this at Jamaica. The man them make Govana look like the youth coming at Only I Shrink the Kid. You remember that show they back in the 90s where them use one shrinking machine and just shrinking down little bit. And them couldn't find what them wear. Yeah, I saw the music video look. And me like it, yo. That style is nice. It creativity on point. And you see for the man them we are not gallus and just I try make it in a gallus world. I try get a gal. Me no know still, but that part here of Uno is like Govana go no a lesson and telling you say in case you never know. You see if you have a tickers, a tickers, don't bring her up on a weak bed. Pan weak bed, you know if you bring tickers, you see me, the bed will drop down.
Pick up every girl with a tight pussy. Me want a good pussy girl in my life today. Hey, your pussy good, that's why me love got there. And you make me balls jump on your tongue got there. Pick up every girl, when off it broke but day. Every time pussy girl forget enough money. Hey, your pussy good, that's why me love got there. And you keep it clean on the jungle there.
So people, you know say me a whole of meds last night. I'ma feel like say me fi bring it across to my subscriber them. You know say a Christmas time the right round the corner. Then at the time of making this video October. And about next week November. So you know say a next week month December and the next month it a go be the new year. Happy New Year 2019. Anyway, hear me I say, back in the days when Sting used to keep, you know say from the touch, the ending of summer, a be a gun tune, a be a bad man tune. You see me? But it's like the culture change because of this change, because Sting now keep and it's like the anticipation they did it when you say yo, you go throw some wood, fling some shades and lead up to Sting with an opportunity for texting or an opportunity for clash somebody past Sting. It come like say yo, the artists them not really interested in that again. So from what day I be a flossing and I be a girl tune, me see a sing and party song. You see me? It's not like me a bash it in, but it's just a thought more and bring cross to Uno. And I want to ask Uno that question. Uno like that style Uno or Uno want the war, Uno want the gun. For me still, once them a sing about girl and the girl them alright, me have to happy. Me nah say me no like little war and mix up more time. But you see from the girl them alright and them a sing about the woman them and when you go a party the woman them just a dash out and you did if you catch some. That is alright with me. But I know what you think.
Want a girl out the road want my body in them. Bad girl me love I can make it think bend. And every girl me fuck me I go cuddle with them. Star girl alone can bring up the children.
And none girlies, here's lesson number 2. Yeah man, 2, cause them boy they don't want no number around here. So the man I say yo, and every girl you touch, you have to cuddle with them. And every girl you touch, you have to even bring her your yard. Some of them girl you cross his girl. You know if you bring them at your yard, daddy, load them. Can them go one little hotel and one little place, go pay one little $500 and you get 1 2 hour. You don't need nothing more than that. You see me, so the man I say, and every girl, you have to cuddle with them. You see me, and every girl can bring govy children. And that I show sometimes you breed some crosses girl. And so come some man end up with some crosses baby mother, you know. And then they in them life from now till the end of eternity. Because what? You see, anytime you breed a woman, brother, just know say from the pitney they not dead and the pitney they healthy and everything, you are going to in the woman life. Unless you are going to just take with the pitney from him, from her, and just run her away. You see me? But you are going to in her life. So Govana say no, him can't get attached to none of them crosses girl there. In other way there. You see me? No girl, no crosses girl, no loose girl can't bring govy children. You're mad and so you have to pray. So you're none girl is that I listen for no.
Uptown girl them love bad man. Country girl fuck your right side of the pig pen. Love when I send the naked pick them. Left eye keep on your teeth and nibble by your lips them.
So all life, me I deal with country girl. Me never get nothing inside I pig pen yet. But then again, me not do bush dog. So you tell me say Govana get a girl side I pig pen already? Me don't know about that something there. All the pig must be beside the dog. I say oink, oink, oink. But differently still, Govana, me like that style there, me like that flow there and everything. And me notice, you know, you see from your find the girl tune there, from your find the girl settings is like, continue the part there. Bear in mind, it can be a good thing, dog, and it can be a bad thing. You see me? So just bear that in mind. You don't want to give the audience them too much of one thing. You see me? But if that song you work for you and if that style you work for you, do it.
Every good body girl I feel like this one. Good body girl I feel like this one. Love when me get tight pussy fi go fuck. And me get inspiration for write it song.
So Govana, you tell me say all of them big songs that we do from what day. Man feel like a champ right now and the rest of them, baked bean and all of them. You tell me say a tight vagina do that? Jano. Ladies, me tell about the power on the pum pum, you know. You see tight pum pum, it go a long way, it go far way, me not tell a lie. Yo, Govana, hear me as someone, don't let go the vagina there. Cause if you let it go, probably you don't get back no more song.
What a years girl can't make me dick stand. Come here star girl, let all you fit tip on. Tip on it, tick on it, sit on it, stiff chan. From your pussy never kill man. Rock out, pick up every girl with a tight pussy. Me want a good pussy girl in my life today. Hey, your pussy good, that's why me love got there. And you make me balls jump when your tongue got there. Pick up every girl, you know fi rock got there. Every time pussy girl fi get enough money. Hey, your pussy good, that's why me love got there. And you keep it clean on the jungle there.
And next thing when me have to comment Govana pan, yo, the girl them when him get in another music video, me not lie. The girl them clean, thick, now look nice and everything. John was star. Them girly. But people, it's that time again. So you know go tell me what you think. So now go tell me what you think in the comment section. What you think about this song? What you think about this artist in general? Govana, because me are telling you, you know, Govana a lead or not necessarily lead, but him are the front runner right now for probably artists of the year and all of those lovely stuff. You see me? So make me know what you think if you deserve it and make me know what you think about this song. You feel like say this song is a bad song? How much you grade this song out of 10? Is it 10 out of 10? Normally, I would make more than good in my opinion, but me I put Uno in a seat. Me I put Uno in the hot seat right now and tell me what you think. What me I go telling about this song is that I like it. Me never like it, I love it. I'ma feel say that song I go come run the party scene leading up to Christmas and all of them party there. But you see, in the music video here, Govana did put the last song here where him do in it, just attach it on or whatever. Me I go just play it, me couldn't see. So It's your boy DJ Chaddy. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. Don't forget to like, comment and share. And if it's the first time watching, thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing by clicking the subscribe button. And then turn on post notification to so anytime I upload video, you're going to be the first to know. Returning subscriber, it's always a pleasure having you. So until next time, it's your boy DJ Chaddy and I'm out.
Jordan, me say uptown girl, them love bad man. Uptown girl, them love bad man. Green and boy, where you get wrong bang. Cold wanna kick Jackie Chan, Hong Kong. Get a girl, them love when they smell good, so you can't look, them a smell like madman. Me say cold wanna kick Jackie Chan, Hong Kong. Cold wanna kick Jordan.